Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the RhinoFLEX 20-foot premium RV sewer hose kit. The RhinoFLEX 20-foot premium RV sewer hose kit is a complete kit that's made right here in the USA. It comes with everything you need to hook your RV up to the dump station. Inside the box are two 10-foot RhinoFLEX hoses, each with pre-attached swivel bayonet and lug fittings, a transparent swivel elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter, and storage caps. Each 10-foot section is crafted from 23 mils of durable polyolefin wrapped around a steel wire core. The patented design allows you to bend it and shape it however you want, and it maintains its shape. The stay-in-place technology allows you to extend only what you need, and it compresses and stays compressed for super easy transport and storage. Camco's revolutionary swivel fittings with odor-tight gasket seals make it super easy to connect. The transparent elbow allows you to see when your tanks are clean. The detachable 4-in-1 adapter features a 4-inch, 3.5-inch, and 3-inch NPT fittings and a 3-inch slip connection so it securely connects to most standard RV dump stations. And when you're done, simply attach the storage caps and the hoses will fit in most standard 4-inch square RV bumpers. The RhinoFLEX Premium RV Sewer Hose Kit is also available in a 15-foot kit, as well as a 10-foot extension and a 5-foot extension. So there you have it, the RhinoFLEX Premium RV Sewer Hose Kit from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.